Hey guys, welcome back to another segment with Chef Luigi, the Italian cooking guy. Today what we're going to be making is stained glass cookies. All right, I'm just going to blow right through this because it's a very simple recipe. 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients, and that's all you have. So these are called stained glass cookies. 2 cups of chocolate chip, right? Chocolate chip, just regular chocolate chips, that's right. That's it. Throw them in your mouth. No, throw them in a bowl. Throw them in, all right? So this is my, another one of those recipes that go back 5 generations, all right? So back then, double boilers, all that shit. No, we got microwaves these days. We use microwaves, okay? So in the ingredients and these stained glass cookies are all gonna be at the end of the video. So if you missed something out of these 4, if you missed these 4, then maybe, you may wanna consider reevaluating things. I don't know, like me, right? All right, so 2 cups of chocolate chips, okay? Stick of butter. What are we gonna do? We're gonna throw it in, all right? We're gonna throw it in here, okay? We're gonna put it in for 2 minutes. Okay, so that was 2 minutes. I think they're all melted, nice. So we're gonna come over here, we're gonna mix them up a little bit. Oh yeah, yep. Butter, nice. Okay, get that all mixed in nice so the butter blends in with the chocolate, because you don't want it separated. You want it all mixed in as one. And as you're mixing it, you'll see the chocolate start to thicken up a little bit, as you can tell. Okay, when it's all mixed nicely, we're gonna take it, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, let it cool off, because we want to be able to form it, okay? Actually, I just want to do one of these right now. But I can't. I can't. I can't. So, these are stained glass cookies. So far, let's recap. We have 2 cups of chocolate chip, a stick of butter, into a glass bowl, whatever you have, doesn't matter. Just throw it in. Throw it in there, put it in the microwave, hit it on 2 minutes, okay? And then check and see if it's all melted. If it needs more time, give it more time. If it doesn't, then you're good to go. We have 2 cups of marshmallows, multicolor marshmallows. This is the stained glass part. These cookies are the simplest cookies you'll ever make, okay? Very simple, 4 ingredients. Anybody can make them. If I can make them, you can make them. Hey, Rocco, could you make them? Where are you? There he is. Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Look at Rocco. Here he comes. Huh? Do you know how to make these too, Rocco? Huh? Can you know how to make these cookies? You know how to make these cookies, right? Sit down. Good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. You can't have these. You can't have chocolate. All right. So, 2 cups of chocolate chips, which is about one of those bags. 1 stick of butter, okay? 2 cups of marshmallows, multicolor marshmallows, preferably for the aesthetics. And a little bit of shredded coconut that I got right out of the backyard, out of the coconut tree, okay? I can't show you the tree right now because it's covered up, because I don't want nobody boosting my coconuts. All right, so that's it. We're gonna throw this in the refrigerator. Actually, yeah, it needs a go in. It's still pretty soft. Sometimes, you don't, sometimes it's a little tough. It's a little more humid down here in Florida, so things, they get sticky and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna throw it in the refrigerator. So we're gonna check the chocolate. You want to check the chocolate? How about you gonna check the chocolate? All right, let's check the chocolate. There's the chocolate. I think it's good. It's a little bit warm, but that's okay, because we're gonna throw the marshmallows in there. We're gonna mix them all up. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a perfect consistency. I gotta tell you, it's about 20 minutes. Bing, bang, boom. Throw it in. Here's about 2 cups. Throw it in. Bucket. Throw it in. Just throw it in. Throw it in. Okay. Mix them up nice. Okay, we're gonna throw them in. Throw them in. Just mix them up. All right. I'll stop being so retarded. Sorry. Just get it all mixed in and meshed together. Because you like my serious voice. Well, you see, ladies, gentlemen, what we're going to do here is we're going to get this so it just what do we say, marinades, infuses we'll use the word infuses. So the marshmallows will infuse with the chocolate but get the, listen, we throw the marshmallows in the chocolate, we got the freaking butter, everything's melted, it's all going together and it's going to be beautiful. All right? And to think, years ago I used to have to be professional. Get the fuck out of here with that shit. Well, sir, you know. No. Okay? No. That ain't me. Okay? Give the fucking guy a beating, send him out on his ass. Okay? We got this here. I'm sorry, I had to get a little excited. It's all right. Don't worry about it. Okay? Okay. So this is perfect. Okay? Because I'm gonna put out, that's actually the perfect consistency, guys, because you can still mold it, and I'll show you why you're gonna need to mold it, all right? Take it easy, don't get excited, all right? I got this, all right? Did you ever cut yourself on one of these? I gotta tell you, I did. Didn't feel too freaking good. Okay? Huh? Want to see how good I am? I'm good. I'm good. I tell you. I made this dough while we were waiting because you know what? I'm Luigi, the Italian cookie guy. And later, we're going to make nice sugar cookies. Okay? All right. Christmas is here. It's time to be happy. Okay? With your families. Why is there cardboard on here? It's on the other side. Okay. So, let's just be happy, everybody. All right? Be happy. Oh, Ashbat, somebody said, oh, well, you don't throw those down first. Well, I do, because you know what? I'm not all about making a mess and all that shit. I don't do it. I'm not going to do it. No. This is just simple coconut slices, grated coconut, okay? You can make, you know, whatever you want. Hey, you know what we got to try next year? Putting peanut butter in with this, huh? Chocolate peanut. What, are you kidding me? I'll eat the whole thing right here, right now. Like it's my job. Okay? Imagine? Look at that. Can you see where we're going with this? Looks like a bogomir, huh? No. Look at that. It's like a little, I don't like using the word, we're making a log. You know, I make a log. We don't make a log. Okay? We're making a roll. We're making a nice roll, huh? How's that? Hey, a little roll over here. Now, you watch all the other videos and they get their hands in there, they get all in there, and it looks like they just got done doing a colonoscopy. It's disgusting, okay? Not Luigi. No. I don't have time for all that crap. I ain't sticking my hands in there. No, it's just not going to happen. No colonoscopies, not today, all right? Throw a little bit more in there, throw it in, sprinkle it on. No! Throw it in, okay? We're going to take this over here, all right? You ready? How's that? Nice coconut roll, huh? Let's throw it in. Throw it in. Throw it all in. All right? Take it like you're rolling a big fat, you know, those cigarettes. I don't know. I don't smoke that shit. Maybe I probably should. Maybe to calm me down a little bit. I don't know. Take the edge off. I don't know. Okay? But take it just like this. Okay? Squeeze it down. You can work with it a little bit. And look at this. No screw-outs on my hands. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, I tell you. Nothing. All right? That's nice. Okay? And when we come, no, I'm not even going to say that. No. You're going to take this. You're going to put it in the refrigerator. Okay? Back in the refrigerator. Take it out and eat it for breakfast. No, I'm just kidding. Take it in, put it in the refrigerator for probably about 2 hours or so. How about this? 2-3 hours. You're going to take this nice spliff right here. You're going to throw it in the refrigerator. You're going to let it get hard. Okay? Then when we, later on, after we unroll it, okay, we're going to cut it, and you're going to see the beautiful of the stained glass. It's going to look beautiful. I promise it's going to look beautiful. Beautiful. It's going to look beautiful. So this is stained glass cookies. This is Luigi, the Italian cookie guy, coming at you from somewhere in Florida where it screwed up my marshmallows because it's too damn humid, but I fixed them because I'm Luigi. I fix anything. All right? We're going to throw them in the refrigerator right now, and in a little bit, we're going to eat them is what we're going to do. We're going to eat them. All right? Okay, in the refrigerator she goes. Guys, we're hitting the refrigerator. We're going to grab this loaf out of there and check it out. Let's see how it came. Woo! Now I had a chance to eat half of that loaf of Italian bread over there. Come on, show me a loaf of Italian bread. Come on. Luigi's working on this over here, right? Nice sausage on the grill outside. Fresh onion, cheese. Salute. Okay. So, here it is, guys. Here it is. She's going to look beautiful. Yeah, see? See over here, you little bastard? So you might want to use cellophane, you don't have to. Whatever works better for you. I mean, it's very delicate procedure we got over here, okay? All right. Look at that, huh? Hold on. This is a blue ribbon event. Here's how good I am, huh? I baked some fresh cookies too, huh? While I was waiting for this? No, I didn't. Tara did. But that'd be pretty cool if I was that good. No, I am that good. Don't worry about it. Ooh. Actually, you're gonna want to cut these a little thicker, like this, because when you lay them on a dish, and they're not cold anymore, they, they get a little, they get a little soft, soft. Yeah. Now look at that. That is a stained glass cookie, and now here's the real test. No, I didn't taste it yet. No, that was good. Okay? Look at that. Huh? So, stained glass cookie. Okay? This is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a healthy and happy New Year. And hopefully I'll see you guys before New Year's. Oh my God, this is really good. The butter with the chocolate and the marshmallows and the coconut sets it off just right. 4 ingredients, it'll be at the end of the video, okay? Simple thing to do. You guys saw 10 minutes to put it together, okay? And that's it. Check it out. Hit the link for the YouTube thing. Pound that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. This is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, coming at you from somewhere on the west coast of Florida, wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas.